felt like vomiting as soon as I opened it. So it is hard, there's hardness in it. Do you eat the bones?
Yeah, you do.
No way. I only am eating this because Tim Ferriss put it on this.
So delicious, you just lost for words.
I can't get over the look. It's really not bad. But I'm scared of the bones. I like eat around.
That's a fair reaction, actually. Bailey's brought a nutritious, delicious lunch of sardines that she didn't realize looked like fish.
You nasty.
An actual fucking fish.
Like
An actual fish.
little fish. First reaction channel.
I thought it was gonna be chopped up like tuna and I could just eat it out of the box. That's not the case.
Campbell, come back. Hey viewers, this is Campbell.
Hey!
There we go.
It's recording, is it though?
Yeah, it's Friday morning, and that was terrible. We're gonna do that again. So it's Friday morning, the morning before melt. We're about to leave. I'm making this just to give you an update time. It's been 4 days since you last saw us, and we've just been working. But now we're gonna go party. But I'm not taking the camera, so you're gonna stay here, we're gonna go have fun, and you might see some shots. If you're lucky. Alright, we're gonna go. Bye. Anais just did my festival attire. I think I'm looking very daft.
Yay, let's go party!
Do a vlogger transition.
Can you believe? Yeah. Full crowd.
What up? We're back from Mel and now we're all working, so we'll see you at the working space. So the power went out, so we can't actually work, but we're all good spirits. Look at that smile, look at that guy. If the power goes out, try and ring them, the people don't come, and then the phones just...
No, my battery, but then the battery is connected to the power.
And this.
Power's out.
So this one is at 3%?
Hello, yes, come in, please.
The internet's not working and the lights in the bathroom aren't working.
I'm just like, I don't know what to do.
Okay, okay. So, what's it okay? Because I can't be like looking at the camera to check that I'm filming. I'm still kind of holding it towards them, you know. It's so hard being a vlogger. We'll check back in later. What a cool company. Thanks, Space. So we're working hard. It's our last day in Berlin. Anais is about to go get a tattoo, so we'll see you there. Excited?
Yeah. I think, yeah, a bit tilted.
Whoa, we're not in the tattoo shop. Look at all the stickers I got. That's what I'm pumped about.
We're done!
Anais is
I've
fun.
got my Bae
Look at how cool that is. Oh, I almost
Cool.
touched it.
Don't touch
I
it.
guarantee you're gonna die if you touch me, and there's no afterlife.
Didn't hurt at all, because I'm not a
Scaredy cat.
I'm super happy, and the guys were super cool. The dude was Swedish.
He was what, sorry?
Swedish?
Swedish.
From Sweden?
Oh, Swedish guys. Yeah.
That was awesome, guys.
Awesome guys.
Next tattoo in Amsterdam.
For the next tattoo, the tattoo vlog continues. viewers, Campbell. Hello, it's the next day. Don't know what to do with my hands. Checking that cooler. So, pitch black crew, leaving Berlin today. Any other updates? Just living life, live, laugh, love. Aww. Catch up later. Getting so good at this. Adrian has just learnt fire is hot. Fire hurts. Look at that slide. I'm not even doing that. That's just tripod setup.
Next time on
Pitch Black Vlogs.
Damn. What's the last time? What's gonna happen now? Are you gonna pick me up?
Maybe.
Oh, that's pretty intense. All right, we'll go wait over there, and then when you go, we'll just come back and sit down. No. Why not? I'm concerned for your safety.
You should go out.
Really?
No.
Okay, you're a bit
Make me
upset.
angry.
So that happened. We're going. It's all good. You wanna sit back down?